Welcome to the Thermal Expansion Calculator, linear, which calculates how much a material expands or contracts when its temperature changes. Let's walk through the three input fields. First, we have original length L, where you enter the initial length of your material. Next is temperature change delta T, where you input how much the temperature increases or decreases. Finally, there's material coefficient of thermal expansion alpha, which you can select from a drop-down menu, featuring options like carbon steel at 23 × 10 to the -6 per degree Celsius, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, brass, zinc, concrete, glass, or you can enter a custom value. For this demonstration, I'll use custom values to keep the math simple. Here's our example. I'll enter 10 for original length L, 10 for temperature change delta T, and 10 for material coefficient of thermal expansion alpha. After clicking Calculate Thermal Expansion, we get two results. Linear expansion delta L equals 1,000 meters, which represents how much the material lengthens. Final length equals 1010 meters, which is the total length after expansion. This tool helps engineers account for thermal effects in their designs. Find the link in the description below.